Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Adda, and thank you for liking my videos. Today we will be doing second lecture of logarithm. In this we will be solving some questions where we will be practicing how to use those 9 formula. So let's start. First question is 3 to the power 2 log 3 base 9. So how to solve it? 3 to the power this. So this is log term. Can we simplify it? It is 2 log 3 base 9. This will become power of 3. Which formula? Log of m to the power n base a is equal to n log m base a. Right? Look from this side. It's same. So it will become log of 3 squared base 9. This is log 9 base 9. So what should be power on 9 so that it becomes 9? It's 1. This is 3 to the power 1 then. That is answer is 3. So this is how we will be taking a lot of questions and then we will be solving it to revise all the formulas. Second question is log of this. This is actually log of 10 to the power minus 6 base 10 to the power minus 2. So what should be power on 10 to the power minus 2 so that it becomes 10 to the power minus 6? I think it is obvious, power should be 3. So it is direct question. This is based on definition of log. Let's do more questions. Third one, 2.75 to the power 1 plus log this. So this is initially it is kind of e to the power m plus n, right? Which will be e to the power m into a to the power n. If we apply this here, it will become 2 to the 2.75 to the power 1 into 2.75 to the power log of 10 base 2.75, right? So now this is what? This is 2.75. And this is which formula? It is actually of the format a to the power log of x base a. You must write all the formula in your notebooks. So if I'm writing a formula here, go and check it whether I'm writing it correct or not. A to the power log of x base a. What did I say? This is a to the power something exponential form, and this is log of x base a. This is logarithmic form. This cancels. It gives you very simple term, that is x. So this, you can say this cancels kind of. Okay. So I will be applying this formula here. So it is exactly a is 2.75 and 10 is x. So this will be a to the power log of x base a. This should be x, that is 10. So answer is 27 points. So now fourth one. Fourth one is, it is, this term looks complicated, right? Log of, I say this is something kind of x. So it is what format? Log of x base 2, right? Got it? So now how to simplify this term? So this is actually exponential form, complicated exponential form. So you must simplify it. It is what? So 64 cube root of 4 to the power minus 1, then 8 to the power minus 4 by 3, and 1. This is 4th root, so it is 1 by 4, right? Then it is, what I am simplifying x first, then I bring it here. 64, and then this is 2 to the power minus 2, and this is 2 to the power minus 4 by 3 into 3. 8 is 2 to the power 3, right? That's what I'm doing. And this is 1 by 3 power, and whole power, it is 1 by 4. Go slowly. If you have some issues, pause it, focus what I'm doing, then move ahead. 64, and this is now 2 to the power minus 2, and this is 2 to the power minus 4. Is to the power 1 by 4. Now it is 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 4. 64 is 2 to the power 6, 1 by 4. So this is now 2 to the power 6 minus 2 minus 4, that is 2 to the power 0 to the power 1 by 4. This is 1. So this complicated expression is actually what? It is log of 1 base 2. And what is log 1? Log 1 is always 0. So this is your answer. I hope you got it. Fifth question. Now this is log of 4. This is log of 625 base 4. Log of 625 base 4. 625 is what? It is 5 to the power 4. So it is log of 5 to the power 4, and 4 is 2 to the power 2. What can we do? This is 4 by 2 log 5 base 2. Is it clear to you guys? Which formula did I apply? I am writing it here. Formula is this one. Log of b to the power m base a to the power n. Then m by n goes outside. It becomes log of b base a. See that? Yeah. So if you simplify it further, it becomes 2 here. So this term you got 2 log 5 base 2. Similarly, simplify this one. Below one, log of 343 base 243. 343 is 7 cube. And this is 3 to the power 5. So this simplifies to log of 7 cube base 3 to the power 5. Apply same formula here, and then what you get? It is log of, so 3 by 5 will go outside. It becomes log of 7 base 3. Second term is simplified. Okay. Move further and simplify third term. All terms are like this one only. So log of 625 base 8. What it is? It is log of 5 to the power 4, and this is 2 to the power 3. This is 4 by 3 log of 5 base 2. Right? Fourth is log of 49 base 243. Log of 49 base 243. This is log of 7 square base 3 to the power 5. So this is log of 7 base 3, and outside is 2 by 5. So put all these values where? Put all these values here. So this is 2 log 5 base 2 by 3 by 5 log of 7 base 3 minus log of, this is 5 base 2 4 by 3 here, divide by log of 7 base 3, and this is 2 by 5. If you simplify it, it becomes 5 goes there, so it is 10 by 3. This is log of 5 base 2 by log of 7 base 3 minus, it is again same 20 by 6, 10 by 3, same term, right? This becomes 0. So this complicated term answer finally becomes 0. Okay, so now moving to next one. What is this? This is log of 9 base of, log 9 will be, 9 is 3 square, right? And square will come out, so it will become 2 by 2 log 3. Achha, where base is not written means base is, and this is 1 by 4 log of 3 to the power 4. So 4 will come outside. Okay, in next step I will do that. This is log 6 square, and then minus is log 12. Apply log formula, so what will, plus will multiply and minus will become division, it becomes log. Seventh one, it is 10 to the power this. So this I see at the exponent, this is sum of log. What we know, if it is sum, log converts to product. So can I write this one? This will be 10 to the power log of 2 into 3 into 4 till n base 10, right? Which formula? First formula, log of m base a plus log of n base a is equal to log of mn base a. You extend to n elements and you get this. Now it is which format? A to the power log of x base a. So what we know, a to the power log of x base a. What is the answer? This cancels. I said earlier, don't cut it like that. It will be meaningless, but think like that. So a to the power log of x base a will be equal to x. So here answer will be what? This one only, right? So answer is what? Answer is 2 into 3 till n. This is actually n factorial. N factorial is called continued product. N factorial means 3 factorial means what? It is 1 into 2 into 3. Similarly, 4 factorial is what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That's how we define factorial. So n factorial will be what? 1 into 2 into 3 till n. That is what you got here. That's why I'm writing n factorial. Clear? So you learned one term also, what is factorial, in this logarithm class. Okay, then move to next. It is lot of logs and lot of terms, so let me see. First I will attack here this part. I don't know this value. If I know this value, I will take log of that term with base 2, whatever the answer, I will put it here and then get the answer. Okay, so now let me erase this part. You have seen it, right? So it looks very clumsy kind of, so better erase it. Root of this is minus 2 and this is 0.125. This is 1 by 2 and this is minus 1 by 2 power. So it is 0.125 power minus 1 by 2 and this power 1 by 2. So this is actually 0.125 and power is 1 by 4 with a minus sign. So this is 1 by 0.125 to the power 1 by 4. This is 8 to the power 1 by 4, right? So it is 2 to the power 3 by 4. Now come here. So it is log of 2 to the power 3 by 4 base 2 base 0.75. Now this is what? 3 by 4, because 2 to the power 3 by 4 is 2 to the power 3 by 4. So this is, or this power comes outside, it becomes 2 3 by 4 log 2 base 2, that is 1. So it is log of 3 by 4 base 0.75. It is what? 0.75. So this is log of 0.75 base 0.75, which is 1. Move to ninth. Question number 9, it is 7 log 7 root 7, 3 root 3, 5 root 5. So I can see kind of this one. This will be log of 7 to the power 3 by 2. This will become log of 3 to the power 3 by 2. This is log of 5 to the power 3 by 2 by log of 4.2. Right? Then this 3 by 2, all 3 by 2 will come outside. It will become log 7 plus log 3 minus log 5 divide by log of 4.2. So this is 3 by 2. This is 4.2 exactly. Log of 7 into 3 divide by 5 by log of 4.2. This is 4.2. This will cancel out. This is 3 by 2. So it's simplified to 3 by 2. Correct? Now doing 10th one. How do we solve it? This is which formula? Do you remember? A to the power log of b base c is equal to b to the power log of. Move to question number 11. So this is 1 by log of n base 2, 1 by log of n base 3, 1 by log of n base 4. There is a problem I see. All these terms at base different, 2, 3, 4, and 2006. It's not a good situation. You must have same base in log, then you can apply a formula. So what you do, change the base. And how can you do that? Log of n base 2 is log of 1 by log of 2 base n, right? So it is what it becomes, it is 1 by log of 2 base n, which is log of 2 base n. This will become log of 3 base n, this will become log of 2006 base n. So this answer will be, this will simplify to log of 2 base n plus log of 3 base n till log of 2006 base n. What it will be, this will be equal to log of 2 into 3 till 2006 base n. This is log of 2006 factorial base n. And what do we see here? What do we see? N is 2006 factorial, so this is n, right? So this becomes log of n base n, which is 1. So this simplifies to equal to 1. Now 12. It is x is equal to log of a base 2a. Y is 2a log 2a base 3a, and z is equal to log 3a base 4a. What we need to find? X, y, z plus 1. So first find x, y, z. What is x, y, z? It is log of a base 2a, log of 2a base 3a, log of 3a base 4a, right? So if you simplify this one, right now I see 2a here, then 2a here, 3a here, then 3a here, right? So there is some connection. So do one thing, change, apply base change formula, bring a new base c. So first term will become log of a base c and log of 2a base c. See what happens in maths. Even you know theory, you know all the formula, unless you see a lot of solved examples, you will not be able to apply those formulas. So maths is one subject where without practice it becomes meaningless kind of. Maths is a different character. Unless you see lot of solved examples where you see how theory has been applied, how formula is being used, you will not be able to solve good questions. The even idea of this lecture, this practice session, is to show you how this formula are applied and what type of question will be asked. So if you see some solved questions, it will give you insight how to solve next question, right? So what I am doing, I am bringing here new base c, log of a base c divided by log of 2a base c. This will become log of 2a base c, and this becomes log of 3a base c. Similarly, this term becomes log of 3a base c, and this is log of 4a base c. This term will cancel, this term will cancel. It becomes log of a base c by log of 4a base c, which is log of a base 4a. This is applying base change formula in reverse order. What I'm saying, log of b base a is equal to log of b base c by log of a base c. This was the formula, right? Now what is x, y, z plus 1 then? X, y, z plus 1 will become log of a base 4a plus 1, right? Which will be equal to log of a base 4a plus log of 4a base 4a. Why I'm doing it? Unless base is same, we cannot apply it here. So it is log of 4a into a base 4a. This is log of 4a square base 4a. Now what is right hand side? 2yz. So now let us see what is 2yz. 2yz is how much? 2yz. So 2y is log of 2a base 3a, and this is log of 3a base 4a, right? So you got the idea, base change, so it will become log of 2a base c by log of 3a base c, and this becomes log of 3a base c by log of 4a base c. You see this cancels, so this becomes 2 times log of 2a base c by log of 4a base c, which is actually 2 into log of 2a base 4a. Same thing what we did earlier. Now this is 2a will go inside, it is log of 4a square base 4a, which is equal to this one. This is question number 13. I want to simplify this question number 13. If you got the previous question, this question will become very easy. I see 3 here, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here. So it is like first one I will let log 3 base any base a and log of 2 base a. Similarly write all of them. So this is how we will apply base change formula. Now this log of 3 base a, this will cancel out, this will cancel out, this will cancel out, this will cancel out, this will simplify to log of 8 base a by log of 2 base a, which is log of 8 base 2. This is 3. You see, we saw one place how to use base change formula, and you can do one more question. Now moving to next. This is 14th question. Apply base change formula everywhere. Okay, so first term will become, second term will become, third term will become log of AD base ABCD. Similarly this one log of BC base ABCD, log of BD base ABCD, and this is log of CD base ABCD, right? Which will be equal to base same, so these terms will multiply, right? Using log property, using formula of log. So this is log AB into AC into AD into BC into BD into CD base ABCD. So it is actually log of ABCD whole cube base ABCD. What will be the answer? Answer will be 3. So you got one more question. Now question number 15. Question number 15. X is this, y is this, z is this. Then what is 1 plus xyz? So we must find xyz first. So xyz, this is log of 7 base 14, that is x, log of 14 base 21 into log of 21 base 28, this is x plus y plus z, or if you write 1 plus then add 1 here. Okay, then this is, you now I can do very clearly, this will cancel out, it will simplify to log of, I am skipping that part, convert to base change formula, then 14 will cancel out, 1 will get, this is log of 7 base 28, which will simplify to this one plus 1, right? This question there should be some change, so do one thing, convert this to 49, then it will be a good answer. So there is some typing mistake, I think. So convert the question, otherwise it will not be a good answer. So it is here 49. Okay, so it becomes 49 here. Now you can answer it. This is, what is log of 7 base 49? Log of 7 base 7 square plus 1. This is 1 by 2 log of 7 base 7 plus 1. This is 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. This one, next one will be last question for today, that is 16th. So can you apply base change formula here? 2 to the powers log of x base 4, right? Now it is 2, it is 4. So if you convert this to base 2, so can I write this is 2 to the power log of 2 square base x, right? So this is 2 to the power 1 by 2 log x base 2. Now this is good, 2 2. Only thing is this half, so bring this half inside. This is 2 to the power log of root x base 2. This is now what is the format? E to the power log of x base e. This will, so it is simply root x. In this class we have tried to solve some questions. We have done 16 questions in this class. So why I am doing these questions in this class? Because maths nature is, unless you see lot of solved examples, you will not be getting idea how to solve questions in exam. So after each chapters I will be trying to solve 30-40 questions in a video. So I will stop here. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, comment in the comment section and subscribe it. And then I am adding some questions.